Okay, it's November 29. The Nissan is running. I started with remote start. Nice and warm inside. Oh, I forget to turn off heated seats. Here we go. So it's flooded, kind of flooded, lightly flooded with fresh water. Nissan Rogue. I post the video of work what have been done, and now it's completely done, nice and clean, and I'm gonna drive it probably a couple of months because it's take 1 month to flip title from out of state to PA, salvage to salvage. Then enhanced inspection, it's like take 30 minutes, easy peasy, and then another month wait reconstructed PA title. So it's 2 months of driving. I'm gonna drive it daily and I'm gonna track the records of mileage. Now it's 47,555, and we're gonna start track the mileage just for provide people more information and people feel more safe buying. Flood, it's gonna be flood title, yeah, but like I told you, it's really big deal what kind of flood and what amount of water, what kind of water, stuff like that. You can go and see previous video about this particular car. You can see flood, the water level mark, and the work what been done to return it on the road in that nice perfect condition. And there is a Christmas illumination, looks pretty cool at night. Okay, December 5, continue driving my Nissan Rogue already for 2 weeks with minor flood, freshwater flood. I will keep tracking my driving experience. Let's start it. Here we go. For a future buyer, I already explained several times that minor freshwater flood is not absolutely big problem if you know what you're doing and you know how to drive vehicle properly and check all mechanical components and change fluids. Here we go. Love this car for this amount of money. I think it's one of the best SUVs available on the market. I have my dash camera. December 13 already. Whew. Continue driving my Nissan Rogue. Putting some mileage already, 27 and 800. Perfect, like I said before, for this amount of money, that much car, with all-wheel drive, small SUV. I consider it like a small SUV, not even middle size, I don't know, maybe close to middle size. Everything works properly. Super nice. Got my dash camera on. Something flying in the trunk. This one is actually not the basic model, which is include blind spot monitoring system, heated mirrors, steering wheel wrapped with leather, heated seats. I have 2 keys, remote start. What else? The all-wheel drive, which could be in the basic model as well. This one is already with new steering wheel, LED daytime running lights. That's it probably. By the way, the previous owner just replaced 4 tires, brand new Bridgestone Transa, I guess. right before a vehicle been flooded. Hopefully he got good payment from insurance company. Here we go. Drive straight without autopilot. We're going to New Jersey for make a payment on an insurance auto auction for another salvage vehicle that I bought recently. 80 miles per hour. Perfect. Cruise control. And relax. Okay, December 17, still no title. I sent salvage title for this car, so now December 17, I sent title November 12, more than months ago. And I'm driving this flooded, kinda flooded, Nissan Rogue for months already, without title. Yeah, I have my shop tag, so I can drive it. I kinda test driving it, but I'm driving it just daily. So the mileage already 47,913, which is coming up for 38. So the mileage growing up, and yeah, this was really nice deal to buy those lightly flooded cars from that recent hurricane Ida. I don't know how to pronounce it correctly. Yeah, all good. Keep trucking. How we're driving the Nissan Rogue. I just want to show people who, some of them really concerned, like, oh, flooded vehicle, oh, it's gonna be a problem. No, it's not gonna be a problem. It's not gonna be a problem. If it that flooded up top or up dashboard or something. If your carpet was flooded, so you know, if you dry it properly, everything will be alright. We're gonna go to our second shop, Box Collision. I show you 2021. I post video previously. 2021 Mazda 3 with 700 miles on it. It's also flooded, light flood damage. Now the carpet is dry already, so we just want to make sure that under the dash insulation is dry. So it's still in the shop with heaters on. And I'm leaving for vacation to Ukraine for a month. So nobody gonna drive the car for a month, and I will come back. And continue driving, and hopefully I will receive the title and be able to sell this one and my Accord to new happy owner. Nice new tires. Yeah, that's them. Of course, guys, forget to connect the... Oh, they moved something here. That's how you dry the car. The carpet is there. You wanna make sure it's dry. The carpet already dry. This one is also flood, recent flood from freshwater Ida. Here we go, baby. That's how you do it. Heater is blowing. Just make sure that dry. It's already dry. That's it. Zero damage. See the nice and shiny connectors. That's all. And they total all those cars. I mean, some of them was flooded, yeah, but some of them was like that. They just totaled them. 700 miles on a car. Okay. What's the date? January 21. And it is super cold. Crazy cold today. Feasterville, Celsius, -8 Celsius, which is around, I don't know, 18 Fahrenheit. So in these chilly days, you really appreciate your remote start. Okay, continue driving my flood Nissan Rogue, and I received titles. So today I will list it for sale and post this video online for potential buyers to be able to see how the repair process goes on, how I drove it for a couple months. I will do high-speed test drive right now on a highway and post this video for sale. So the mileage is 47,980, almost 48. I forget to check what the mileage was when I bought it. I definitely put around 1,000 miles already, maybe even more. 26 Fahrenheit outside. Cold. But it's super nice when you have a remote start in the winter. Even in the summer, if you shut off the vehicle with AC on, so when you start it, AC will cool the interior. Or in some cars it automatically depends on the outside temperature. The car decide what to do to warm up or cool down interior. And the heated seats is super handy in that chilly morning. is actually 21 Fahrenheit outside. Super cold. Okay, let's do highway test drive, and I'm gonna make a pictures today and list it for sale. But I truthfully love this car.